Okay, information, Quebec is current, winds are calm, altimeter is 294.
And one of the things we try to do here is line up heads, because there's three things about formation. Be safe, right? Have fun, but you got to look good too. You don't want to look like the butt crack squadron. So,
RV-755, Joey Mitchell, downwind, calm, altimeter is 294. Your left turn is approved, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff, flight.
that's us.
RV-5 Juliet Romeo on flight, clear for takeoff, 26 right.
Let's go 2 Tango Sierra, runway 26 left, clear for the ocean.
26 left, clear for the ocean, 207.
Centaur, RV-5 Juliet Romeo, understand left turn out approved?
RV-5 Juliet 5, affirmative, left turn
So
approved.
normally we'll do three
Thanks for the help.
on the runway, but since there's only 4 of us, we're doing 2 plus 2. So he'll take that half, I'll take this half. Line up here, rest, almost even. The reason I'm almost even is give him a big head nod. Okay, that's letting him know we're ready. Run up the RPM to 1700. He'll look at me, tap his head. Okay, there we go.
05 Mike,
We're clear. So I'm just kind of looking at him in my peripheral
805 Mike.
here.
Got my thank you, position traffic on the left downwind approaching base for runway 26
bad.
left, lost them. 805 Mike.
A little slower than I thought he'd be. There we go. So now that I have the plane under control, now I'm going to right rudder. I'm cross-controlling, and I'm keeping the ailerons flat. Using right rudder to get over in position here.
Okay.
And almost in position. About here. So I'm using that hinge on his aileron on the bottom, and I'm trying to put it on his spinner.
Okay.
Drawing a line, so that's a step down position. This is our position. This is formation flying right here. So the other two, they're going to join up. You're going to see them join up on there, so they'll be on the opposite side. They're coming up from behind, you know, but they'll show up on your side. We're going to be by ourselves on the first pass. Well, see them wagging? Look at them. That means spread out.
Okay.
So now I put the wingtip on the spinner. So I go to the front wingtip, and now he's saying we're leveling out. That's what that sign meant.
Okay.
So if you could help me out here on the
And,
radio here.
control, op check. 2, 3, 4.
Put in 122.8 using these outer knobs, inner and outer knobs. 122.8.
Okay.
All right, so what he did is he pulled the throttle back to give me 1 inch of manifold pressure.
Okay.
So your throttle runs the manifold pressure, so gave me 1 inch, so now I can keep up better. I was getting dragged behind. These guys are all probably light on fuel and they're by themselves, and I'm full on fuel and got us.
You got a big fat guy sitting there.
No, it's me, it's not you.
Okay, everybody should have 122.8 set in your standby. 122.8. 2, 3, 4.
So he'll do this with the wings, that means come back to Papa.
Okay.
But for now, I'm trying to put the wingtip, front of his wingtip on the spinner. I'm a little forward, just a hair. We're only talking a foot, you know, it's a fine line here. So there he is, now the wingtip's on the spinner. See him wag?
Yep.
So now I'm going to right rudder, aileron's flat. You never use aileron to get in position.
That makes sense.
Yeah, you never go
Gotta
belly
flip
up.
it.
Never go belly up. We're going to do a total of 3 passes. 2 in formation, the third pass will be a pitch up.
Flight about traffic. Flight of 4 RVs is inbound from Riverside, descending out of 2200 for low approach, runway 24, play box.
So as you can see, and this is a good example of it, when everyone's in position and we're doing our job, they freeze in your windows. It's really a great feeling. But I'm flying with guys that have well over 1,000 hours formation time.
Enter 45
I love this. This to me is like, this is it. You're experiencing the best of the best right here.
Playbob traffic, flight of 4 RVs is inbound from the river, 45, going around the mountain, low approach, runway 24, playbob.
So we keep that line of sight, so we're actually pitching up a little bit, you know, to keep, it's called welded wing. I'm just using, rudder, very gentle rudder to hold my position very stable on the aileron.
1 mile left at the northwest.
And I'm guessing he'll call smoke on here in a second.
Northbound at 4,000, flying last call.
Playbob traffic, flight of 4 RVs is final. Low approach, back into the pattern, 2-4, Playbob. Smoke on now. Smoke off.
Yeah, number 4 still got a smoke on.
Oh.
4 is still smoking. We're actually Playbob traffic, flight of 4 RVs is
Thanks for that.
crosswind to downwind, going behind the mountain for a low approach, runway 24, and
So this will be another pass normal, but on the third one, we're gonna.
Then we'll break out.
Yeah, it's gonna be 4 Gs. Okay.
All right.
It's up. 4 Gs. Look for the yellow plane, then turn. It's not a pull and turn.
Playbob traffic, flight of 4 RVs is turning base behind the mountain, low approach, runway 24, Playbob.
What do you think?
That was super cool.
Good. I want to hear. All right, this is a normal pass.
Smoke on. Traffic, that's the 16 over Inner Dam, southbound, 4,200 feet, descending, Billy Joe. Smoke off. South Patrol, this is going to be a 4G pull-up, 2-second delay, confirm. 2, 3, 4. Playbob traffic, flight of 4 RVs is turning final, low approach, back into the pattern, 2-4, Playbob.
And I know I'm doing my job when he kind of freezes, Everything's good.
We're pulling up basically the end
We'll
of the
be
runway.
level. No, I don't know. He's going to do it sooner.
Now.
He's going to do it sooner, so get ready.
All right.
One up. 2 up. Yep. 4 up.
Yeah, it's really cool just seeing them shoot up there,
That was, huh?
Cool seeing the wingtip board.
Playbob traffic. Flight of 4 RVs, base, full stop, 2-4, Playbob.
I haven't even seen the runway yet. Oh, now I got it. I told you about landing with pitch, keeping it high on purpose, trying to keep a nice safe spacing with him, but I power off, so never depend on the engine to get you the runway. And that's his wake, by the way, so I got to use a little power to fight that.
Okay.
Hold my nose up.
I didn't think a little RV would have that much wake.
Yeah. All right, lean forward. Hold the canopy so it doesn't hit your camera. There you go.